with another screen recording for the assignment for your individual lesson plan. If you are in my purple class or orange and red, this is your one of your assignments for independent work today, and it has to do with figuring out which countries entered the European Union and when. And we're going to create a nice little color-coded map for that. So the first thing I want you to do is please go to your Google Classroom, whichever class you're in. If it's purple or orange or red right here, just click on your classroom, and the assignment should be posted already. It's called Classwork EU Map, When Did Countries Join? First thing I want you to do is click on this link here so it opens up in a new tab, and then open up this picture so you can see it here because we're going to be going back and forth. Okay, so we did this, we did an activity very similar to this with Political Europe, and I really like it because it creates a nice color-coded resource for you to use and to look at to just remind yourself when certain countries entered the EU. So we're going to change our color first. Let's change it to blue. I'm going to change our color to blue first, and this label is going to be called Joined in 1957. Okay, so a couple things I wanted to point out about the timeline. You see here it's like your traditional timeline going from left to right in a line, and then you see these big bolded years with the names of countries underneath. Okay, the year that's indicated here is the year that these countries joined. All right, so you have a bunch of countries in 57 and 2004, some smaller amounts of countries in the other years. Also, the two labels here, EC and EU. Notice the Maastricht Treaty is in 1992 right here. That's when the European Economic Community officially became the EU. That's why you see the different labels here and here. And what's also cool is you see the amount of countries slowly increase from 6 to 9 to 10 to 12, etc., all the way going up to 28 and then 27 when the UK leaves the EU. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take a look at 1957. So that's going to be the title of our label. But let's highlight the countries first. So we have 6 countries to highlight: Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. Okay, so let's highlight Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg right in here, and the Netherlands. So we have this group here should be labeled blue. And can you please put as your label title, Joined 1957? Okay. To create a new label, see you have your legend up here. To create a new label, just click the color bar and you can change it. So let's go from blue to green. And let's add Denmark, Ireland, United Kingdom. Okay. Ireland, UK, Denmark. These countries joined in 1973. Oop. Change your color again to purple. The countries that we want to highlight in this layer is just one country, that's Greece in 1981. Change your color again to yellow. Portugal and Spain joined in 1986. Highlight those two. Portugal, Spain joined 1986. Change your color again. Let's do orange. Orange is going to be 3 countries: Austria, Finland, and Sweden. So we have Finland, Sweden, and Austria. Joined in 1995. 2004, we have a bunch of countries, okay? So we're going to take this in chunks, all right? So in 2004, let's actually change our color to... Let's do like a... kind of like a light blue. Let's do a light blue. Okay, so light blue layer now. Let's highlight Cyprus, Czechia, Estonia, and Hungary. So we have Cyprus, Czechia, Estonia, and Hungary. And then Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Poland. Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Poland, Slovakia, and Slovenia. Slovakia and Slovenia. Okay, so we have this now, this blue layer in here, and that's going to be joined 2004. Change our color now to this kind of brown here, mustard, sand. This is going to be Bulgaria and Romania. And that is in, double check the year, 2007. Oh, I want to make sure it says joined. Joined 2007. Got 2 more layers. Okay. Let's do this like, I want to leave red. Let's do this kind of light, very light orange, and call it, we're going to click on Croatia right here. Oh, that looks nice. So Croatia is going to be joined in 2013. And now, can you please click, let's highlight red, click the UK, and label this left. Okay, so we have join, 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 and then the last layer is going to be red, left 2020. Okay, EU leaves, or UK leaves the EU in 2020. So your map will look like this when it's done. So you do notice some countries that are not in the EU. Okay. That doesn't mean that they aren't trying to get in. So maybe they've applied and they're awaiting ratification. So you have Norway here. It's a, country not in the EU. Belarus, Ukraine, these Baltic countries in here, Switzerland, Turkey. But you have a bunch of countries that are trying to get in. So we'll talk more about that in class. So this is part of your independent work for today. In order to submit the assignment, you need to take a screenshot of this and attach it to your work. So my post looks a little different. You should see something that says my work. Take a screenshot, click the add button, and go into your downloads folder. You should be able to add the screenshot from there, and then you could use it when you're trying to remember which countries entered the EU and when. If you have any questions, you could send me an email, or if you're in Mr. Fernandez's, Miss Barker's, or Miss Stewart's class, send them an email for any questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.